Welcome back to my channel. I'm Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and today I'm going to show you a quick little way to jazz up your belly bands. So I'm working on a few journals here from my Etsy store, and this page here, I want to add a little bit of interest to it. So I'm going to put a belly band on, but I'm wanting something with a little more pizzazz. So what I've done is I've cut my belly band, and I haven't glued it down or anything. So this belly band happens to be 1.5 inches across. So we're going to make a slide for my belly band. So I've cut a strip. In this case, my strip is 1 inch. And what I've done is I've basically made sure that this will wrap around and I've got enough spot to seal it. And this way I have a slider for my belly band, but we're going to take it one step further. I'm just going to slide that out of the way. I'm going to put on, I'm working on this little Alice in Wonderland themed journal. So I'm just going to layer it up in embellishments. You could put anything you wanted on there. For me though, I thought I've got this Alice cutout, which I think is perfect. I'm going to layer her on and just secure her, but I think I'm going to secure her with a button and a little bit of cheesecloth, just to give it something a little different. So however you secure this stuff to the slider, make sure it's secure pretty well, you don't want it to tear off. All right, I'm going to stitch this on. I'll poke out the other side here so I know where I'm going. Oop. Well, that didn't work too well. Oh, dropped it again. Butterfingers this morning. All right, I'm just going to slide the button back on. There we go. And now stitch it on the other side. Well, it's quite a few layers, but it's all right. I got it. Tie it off. So you could glue whatever you wanted on here or stitch it on or however you want to attach it. But for me, I just want to do with this little button. All right, so now I've got my embellishment on my band. And I'm going to secure my band. Now, you should do this before. It's easier to do it before you put your belly band in your book. That is definitely for sure. So I'm just going to wrap it around and I'm just going to secure the back. So I'm going to do, again, my usual two-sided tape and glue. Put that on there. Okay. Make sure I'm going to be centered. All right, and a little bit of glue. Secure that on. Not too much glue because you don't want it to seep over the edge and seal all this. Okay, so now I've got a belly band slider. So now we're going to put this into my journal. I'm just going to attach it like you normally do. Here. Again, a little bit of two-sided tape and a little bit of glue. Get my fingers in there. Excellent. And attach it to your page. Just make sure I'm doing it the right way up. All right. So now it's attached to my page, and you've got this movable slider. Isn't that cute? The possibilities are amazing what you could do with this. I just thought it was perfect. Jazz up a few pages, and then when I put my stuff underneath the belly band, you'll still be able to see this and move it. Isn't that awesome? Anyways, that's me for today. Just a short little one. I just had a thought and wanted to share it with you. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know what I'm doing when I'm doing it. Head on over to my Facebook group, Heart's Desire by Venus. I'll put the link below. If you've created one of your own, please put a photo up on the Facebook group there so we can all see what you've been inspired to do. I'd love to see everybody's projects. Hopefully I will see you again soon, and thanks for coming and tuning in. Have a great day.